The ore from Cars Minerals open pits is to be processed at newly constructed concentrators. First of all, mine trucks deliver the ore to the primary crusher. The capacity of the crusher receiving bin allows containing 2 trucks load. This crusher reduces the ore size by approximately 80%, then crushed ore is to be shipped to the concentrator via surface conveyor belt. The initial ore processing point at the concentrator is the SAG mill, where large ore lumps are ground rotating and colliding with each other and small amounts of steel balls. Process water is to be added to the process at this stage. Do you know that operating mill sound may change depending on ground ore quantity and size? Uncharged mill produces higher noise level compared to the full load mill. A mixture of water and ores from SAG mills to be processed by ball mills, where quantity of steel balls is 5 to 10 times more. The ore is actually powdered here to feed flotation process in a liquid slurry form. Pneumatic flotation cells have been installed at new Cars Minerals concentrators to aerate the slurry. How it works? Metal minerals contained in the slurry float up to the surface, where they are flushed away through these special ducts. In order to recover different minerals from the ore mass, different chemical agents to be added to the slurry consequently. A final froth is collected in different cells with different metal concentration. All remaining mass on the cell bottom is known as a slime, or more simply, process waste that is to be collected in the designated area. Those are known as tailings. We know this high concentration frothy mixture as a concentrate, but it is very inconvenient and expensive to ship liquid concentrate to the customers. Therefore, the concentrate is to be dried. The concentrate is packed in flexible big bags, 2,000 kg of concentrate each in average. Copper grade in the dry powdered concentrate at Boschakol is about 20 to 28%. Approximately 940 big bags or 1,900 tons of concentrate or over 30 loaded rail cars are packed daily as the concentrator achieves the design capacity. And after several transformations at the smelter, it may turn into an Olympic medal, for example.